This is from the company Delio Rumba. It's a digital ohms meter, a multi-ohms reader, so you can read AC, DC, grounds, ohms, impedance, and more. I'm going to open up the box, show you what you get inside, an instruction manual to go over, and a nice carrying case, your meter. It has a little strap that you can hold on to, hook onto hooks. You have a zipper that simply unzips and opens up. Everything that you need, palm-sized meter. It's got a nice rubber grip. Remember to peel the screen protector off. There are no needs for batteries. This is a rechargeable internal battery. It has a light, a kickstand, and a USB port to charge. The DL60 meter has the door in the back, silicone covered. Plug in the USB-C cable and charge for the first time. As the meter is charging, it has a red LED indicator on top. When it's completed, the LED indicator will change and go off. Nice solid probes, black for negative, red for positive, and you have the caps that come off and plugs into the maximum amount of area. The tips come off, they protect the points. The Delorun DL60 meter. You have an on button, a nice large display. You have to hold it down for at least a second. Everything comes on and you're ready to go. It has a temperature reading. You take your cables and plug them into the corresponding slots. You could choose the select button, the on and off, for the auto, ohms, DC. Opening up the kickstand so you can see the reading of the battery by hitting on the terminals, 13.17. And if you do it the opposite way, it'll give you a negative reading. Negative 12.51, and when you correctly hook up, it'll tell you the voltage of the battery. DC reading is simple as taking a battery and checking to see if you have voltage, 1.27, 1.28. If we need to read a outlet, we simply go into the AC mode. We're on AC and we plug into an outlet correctly. And we get a reading of 115.9. If we need to check a short, we go into the AI Smart and we hear the beeping for short. An ohms meter, multimeter, comes in handy when reading batteries to know if you have any power on a LiPo. 12.84, we have other batteries as well that we need to check down here. In order to operate the light, it's the lower button. You simply long press it till the light comes on and you'll see it lit up in here, and there's the light. So this way you can shine it on and light up the area that you need to read in the dark. You see the meter and you see the light. Probe caps simply slide back on for protection. Easy to roll up. And a nice storage bag that you have everything here for it. Inside the back cover will be lithium batteries, no longer using AA, AAA battery. Portable, compact, for your household needs. Enjoy your ohms multimeter. Thank you for viewing.